project is to know the possible effects when we eat in McDonald's food products. Researchers also choose this project in order to know and discover new facts, proofs, in order to tighten their evidences with the help of scientific method. Researchers choose this to study because people often eat at McDonald's and they do not know what McDonald's food contains. And if people often eat McDonald's, they slowly get fat and high in sugar and calorie and can get a disease or sickness like diabetes and obesity.
The research aims to know the health risks in eating food products of McDonald's. Especially it aims to answer the following questions. How does a student cope after meal? Do you ever think that the food in McDonald's is unhealthy? What sort of disease may a person get after eating at McDonald's? Hypothesis. Does the customer who enjoyed McDonald's food product are in good health? Operational hypothesis. Eating at McDonald's for 1 month can make a healthy person become obese. Null hypothesis. Eating at McDonald's for 1 month cannot make a healthy person become obese.
Significance of study. This study will be significant endeavor in promoting good work on environment in the workplace and motivations of its employees. This study will be beneficial to those customers on those possible bad effects, health risks on eating on McDonald's, by understanding the health risks on those people who are eating in McDonald's. These customers will even try to avoid always eating on the fast food restaurants. Moreover, these studies will be helpful to discover possible diseases and health problems that customers might possible to affect them. And limitations. The study will focus on health eating in McDonald's. It means how nutritious the food it is. Thus, we asked some staff of McDonald's about work questions, and they answered it. We asked them to be sure answer right. We also asked some customer about their feeling or the emoticon before, after, and while eating in McDonald's. We do the asking and observing about 2 weeks. My group mates and I asked different persons, but they said to me that they ask the same person every day. Number of people interviewed, 50 students. First and second week. 50 students, first and second week. 50 students again, first and second week. 50 students again, first and second week. Tree. Methodology. Researchers have made some experimental methods in order to gather and to discover some evidence. To prove their evidence is more timely, here some of the following. Experiment. First, we will know the weight, sugar level, and cholesterol level of the 100 students and get the average of weight, sugar level, and cholesterol level. Then, we will give 100 students McDonald's food and they will eat it 5 times a day for 3 months. After 1 to 3 months, we will get the average of their weight, blood pressure, and sugar level, then compare. Before, cholesterol level of each student, weight of each student, sugar level of each student, and the average. Same as in the after. Hi, I'm Paula Mayodi Guzman, their leader. Hi, I'm Navin Lucas Mundo.
Hi, I'm Ricky Lloyd Enriquez.